So I am going to brunch. This is my look. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Chima Love. So today I have a get ready with me and I'm going to be doing hair and makeup, so you guys can just stay tuned and watch. I went to lunch. It was actually supposed to be a brunch, but I did not make it that far. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Heavy on the subscribe and we'll get into it. So I'm starting out by just parting the hairs in the front of my head, and I'm just plucking them a little bit so the hair can sit flatter. I want it to sit flatter in the front of my head towards, you know, where my part is. So I always pluck it in the front like that. And then I go through and pluck out where my part is. So then you guys can see the distinct difference from where my baby hairs are going to lay. And then I do go in and just pluck through where my baby hairs are going to be, because I don't like when it's so many baby hairs and it looks like, I don't know, it looks somewhere, especially when I'm going to be having hair like this. I don't like when it looks too much, so I want it to be a little bit more thinned out, so I'm just going through and thinning them out. Also, y'all, don't mind my actual real baby hairs that are not gelled back in the front of my head. You will not be able to see them when I actually wear the hair, so I didn't even worry about it. I'm not even wearing a wig cap under this. It's just my head, literally, so just ignore. And then I'm just going in with my hairspray and my hot comb, just giving the hair a little bit of volume and using the hot comb to make it go up a little bit. So after I laid my baby hairs, I just go ahead and go in with my moisturizer. I always use moisturizer first before I use primer, just to keep my face moisturized throughout the duration of when I'm wearing my makeup. And then I did my eyebrows off camera, and you see me concealing my eyelids because I'm about to start my eyeshadow process. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going in with my setting powder, and I'm placing it just along the parts of my face that tend to get a little bit more oily. I don't have oily skin, but I'm going to be outside and I don't want my whole face to sweat off, so I just go in with my nose, my chin, and my upper lip area, and then my T-zone, and I just hit those areas with the setting powder. I'm not letting it sit, I'm just pressing it into my skin so any moisture can be absorbed. So after I put that glitter on my eyes, it does tend to take a little bit longer to dry. So I did go ahead and take off the thing I used to lay my edges, and I'm just going in and doing my hair a little bit more just to get it out of the way. So I do like to put my foundation on with a brush, and then I go in with my beauty blender and I just go over that just to make sure everything's all blended out. But initially I like using the brush. I just like the application better. So after I go in with my regular baking powder, I do go in with a lighter one just to brighten up those areas. But I don't let it sit for long. I just place it and then take it off. I know y'all didn't think I was about to leave the house with my hair looking crazy like that. So now I'm just gonna go in and do my hair. I'm gonna put some light curls in it. I didn't want my hair to be curly, but I didn't want it to be straight. I kind of just wanted it to be like, just have body and be a little bit wavy, but nothing, you know, too much. And then when I'm done with the hair, I'm just gonna do some hairspray to hold everything in place. And then I'm done with the hair. Yes, girl, go mama. So this is the final look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
He watching my behavior cause he know I'm bad. Pussy put a spell on him. He in a trance. I do what I please and you do what I.
We are going to brunch. Well, it was supposed to be brunch, but it's really lunch because, you know, it took a long time to get ready. But yeah, ridiculous. It's my sister. Subscribe to her channel. Subscribe to her channel. You know what? Follow my Instagram because I haven't been being active on my YouTube. Follow her Instagram. What is it? Share Brittany. Bitch. And Share Brittany.